Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super powerful, how to use ChatGPT to create high-ranking SEO content and blog posts that actually sell. If you've ever struggled with writing content, ranking on Google, or just getting started with blogging, then you need to watch this video. Let's go. Chapter 1. Why ChatGPT for SEO? Alright, so why should you even use ChatGPT for writing blogs and SEO content? Well, it's simple, it saves time, it helps with keyword research, and it generates fully optimized articles that can rank on Google. Let me show you how. Chapter 2. Keyword research with ChatGPT. First things first, keywords. Without the right keywords, your blog won't rank. Let's ask ChatGPT for a list of relevant keywords for our blog post. Example topic: making money on Fiverr. For example, let's say I want to write about making money on Fiverr. I just type, give me a list of SEO-friendly keywords for a blog about making money on Fiverr. Boom! Look at this list: freelancing, gig economy, side hustle, work from home. This is gold. Chapter 3. Generating a blog post. Now that we have our keywords, let's take it a step further. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a full SEO-optimized blog post based on a title suggestion. How to start a successful freelancing career on Fiverr. Check this out. It writes an introduction, key sections like setting up your Fiverr profile, creating gigs, attracting clients, and even a conclusion. And all of this is SEO-optimized with the keywords it suggested earlier. Talk about efficiency. Chapter 4. Metadata and optimization. SEO doesn't stop at just writing the blog. We need metadata, title tags, meta descriptions, and more. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate these for us. Here we go, the meta title, description, and additional keywords. This is what Google reads to understand what our blog is about. If you want to tweak it further, you can tell ChatGPT to rewrite it with different tones or target different audiences. Chapter 5. Customizing your blog content. One of my favorite tricks is customizing the blog post's tone and format. Let's say we want it written in a more professional way or a more conversational tone. Just ask ChatGPT. Look at this, on one side we have a formal, structured version, and on the other a fun, engaging tone. This means you can tailor your content exactly to your audience. Start writing smarter. So there you have it, guys. ChatGPT is a game changer for SEO blogging. Whether you're writing from scratch or just optimizing existing content, AI can do the heavy lifting for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments. What's your next blog topic? See you in the next video.